Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking the kill streak you've earned and its activation method. This matters because timing and location change its effectiveness. Once you know the streak's behavior, move to a covered vantage or behind friendly lines and call out your intent. Make sure to activate only when at least one teammate can secure your immediate approach and a secondary route. This prevents early disruption and preserves the streak long enough to produce the intended tactical effect. Once done with activation, manage the deployment actively. Watch cooldown indicators and enemy responses because quick counters can nullify the effect. Use distraction, smoke, suppressing fire, or a secondary push to draw attention away from the streak's endpoint and communicate concise updates so teammates reposition as needed. If the streak lands early or is partially denied, shift to an alternate plan immediately. Regroup, exploit any area of effect damage, and press the advantage. You finish by converting the streak's effects into concrete gains. Push into softened areas, clear objectives, or lock down sightlines while the enemy is disrupted. If things go wrong, interruption, misplacement, or early suppressors, stop chasing the perfect replay. Instead, reassign teammates to defense, recover cover, and reset positioning within 10 seconds. For future runs, note the specific failure cause, timing, line of sight, or intel, and tweak activation points and callouts so your next kill streak is reliably effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.